What's going on? This is Reflex Master 2016 here, back with another video. Today we are playing Mad Skills Motocross 2. This is our first video on Mad Skills Motocross. It's actually a really good game. I've got all the bikes. So I did do a previous recording, but the music that I had in was completely blurring out the sound, and you couldn't even hear my commentary. So I've turned that off for this video. I'll try and see if we can get the computer next video to play some music. But for now, it's just gonna be my voice, yay. But we have bike 11. Oh yeah, I've got it on mute. Hang on. Settings. Oh, I still can't hear it. Alright. So, bike number 11. My number is 223. That's because that's, my number in real life. So, bike number 5, that took me, I reckon, 5 weeks. And eventually I just bought it. So, yeah, like a gangster. So, what we're going to do today, we are going to play the jam tracks. Hopefully beat my rivals, because before I really hope that did not mess up my recording sound. If it did, then that's probably fine, because it's only a little bit. But yeah, and I am recording this on a Samsung S4, so it's got different, what do you call it? Display of, when you turn the volume down, it hasn't got the same display of the iPad or iPod, whatever. Oh, yep. Alright. Isn't it this Buddha here? Yep, you slow down. No, damn it! Oh, crap. Alright, there's that one. It's a big triple. So step on, step offs. Drop down. Big one. Wheelie. I'm jumping far. Okay, I'm silent with concentration right now, guys. Sorry my commentary is not up to scratch. God, I got a cold. And I've just gotten back from a school fair. Fate, whatever, I don't know. And it is currently 10:15 at night. It is pretty late. Hang on. I'm making a video. Sorry, interruption there by my mom. She's gone to bed. Hopefully I managed to edit out the sound. But we are side by side, right here. It comes up to, no, not this jump. Ah, shit. I'm pretty sure. Not right now. No. Not right now, dude. You're in the middle of a video. Doodle. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Straight on the back. Just bye. Ah, crap. Oh yeah, that's what you call a squat. Good whoops. And up. Up the hill. Don't slow down. Yep. Alright. Yep, it's that one. It's a big Buddha. That boots you up the bottom. down. Good. And up. Big floater. I like these big floaters. I love how they position it. It is so good. I don't know how you get a perfect step on step off rhythm through there. Oh shit! I'm dead serious. I'm so tired. Been up for 16 hours. Had to wake up at 6 because we've got like a little temporary fence thing. Because our neighbours have got a new dog. Dogs broke that down, so I had to wake up because I'm like right outside of where they were. I had to wake up, go fix the fence, and then they broke it down again. I had to go fix it. Then eventually Dad and my sister woke up, helped me fix it, and yeah, I've just been up since. Oh, come on. Alright, so we're close enough. I'll take that. I'll take that. Yeah. Okay. So go back. El Chewbacca. RC Boxer. And what is it? Joe. El Chewbacca. Yeah, see, he's got that line. I tried to do that line before, but it just didn't work. He's actually really quick. Man, must have stuffed up real big. Must have crashed. He probably did. Probably did. That's kind of bad. Ow. I feel bad now. Oh, I'm just moving on my bed, squeaky bed, bunk bed, you know, on the mattress. I swear this block mattress is going down. I think it's got a hole in it again. We've been through like 6 block mattresses and they've all had holes in them. Oh, come on, man. Get a scrub. Doodle. Oh yeah, got the bounce there. Yep, but I think I just stuffed that up. No, I didn't. I actually improved it. Oh yeah. Oh, that is so cheesy. Get that out of here. He tire tapped that. That's kind of what I did, just like that. And then just rode it along. Ah, come on. Oh, okay, that's, no, okay, come on. Give me a good one. Give me a good run. Ride, thing, I don't know. Oh, yep, that's the quick line right there. Getting a quick line. Oh, I didn't bounce off that. Oh, am I supposed to bounce off that? I think I got the slow line. Oh, I got perfect downside on that. Come on. We are side by... Oh, here we go. I'm in front. Oh! Made the tabletop! Man, these whoops are so off. Oh, yes! Yes, another daily rocket. You guys know what we're gonna do. Yeah, you do. We got 34 rockets. Play career, continue career, novice, brap. You guys know it. We all do. Hold this shit down. Where am I? Am I in hell? What the fuck? What? Alright, leaderboard. Yeah, I could probably do better. I only used like four rockets. That was pretty good. Oh crap, no. Oh. No. No. Oh. Brap. Huh? Oh, I was pressing the brakes. Oh, that's why. Crap. Okay. You win. Maybe. Just kidding. You never win. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. No. Okay. Poo. Don't think that was good. 2, 3. Now we're out. We're empty. Oh, come on. Okay. I'm just gonna do a legit one. It feels so slow now. I'm not the best at scrubbing, by the way. He's backed off. Whee! Broken leg right there. Possibly a compound fracture. Come on, give me that. Give me that cheese. Give me that cheese, boy. Oh shit! I just got flung off my back. That's great. My boy. Get off the gas. Mom. Oh yeah, guys, you need to see this. Hang on. Bruh. Was it bike 6? I think it was. If it's not, then it's bike 7. Australia. Wait, no. Hang on. Or was it Queensland? I don't know. Yeah, here we go. I'm 3rd in Queensland for bike number 6 on Brap. What's Big Jew on? Wait. Yo, so cool. Oh, Big Jug. Where you representing that? Oh, wait. There's slime. Then where am I at? Oh my god, get out. Alright, hang on. I am placed 140th, maybe. Little pussy. Big Jude, where you represent? 47th in the world. He is 1st in Queensland. I am Australia. I'm 18. How does Big Jude do it? Let's watch him. And after this, I think that'll be it. Trust me, I was still farting. Oh yeah, I had this CR. He is representing Australia right there. He is 1st in Australia and he is coming, was it 40th? But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, leave a like. If you're new around here, go subscribe. And I'm thinking of making live streams, but we need a couple more people. So go tell your friends to subscribe today. if you got time at like college or school. But anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. Take it easy. Goodbye.